As a YouTube content creator and an entrepreneur who has grown my channel to 50,000 subscribers and more in less than 2 years, one of the questions that I get asked most often is, what would you do if you had to start from scratch? What would you do if you had only 100 subscribers? How would you grow your channel? So in this video, that's exactly what I want to share with you. My best tips, the ABCs on growing your channel if you had 100 subscribers. This is what I would do. So here are the ABCs of growing your channel. A is authority. You want to have authority in a niche. Grow your authority speaking to one audience. Who is that person that you can help best? Who is that person, that avatar that you can understand their obstacles, the challenges that they face, what is keeping them up at night? Who are those people that when you put your message out there from your expertise as a subject matter expertise, as a thought leader in that domain, that when your viewers hear you, they can think and they truly do feel, wow, you are talking to me. Who is that person? That is your niche. That is your niche. And so building authority in your niche means that you're able to, with your videos, especially when you are starting out, this is important, with your videos, that you reach out to a very specific audience. And the reason why this is important is because YouTube's algorithms will be able to know who to show your videos to. You see, a majority of your video views will come from people who are not even subscribers to your channel. But YouTube needs to know who to show your videos to. Like when I first started out, I was surprised and I couldn't understand. And it was really shocking in a pleasant way that a lot of the clients that came to me in my business, that came in my consulting firm, they came when they were watching a video from Bob Proctor, or they were watching a video from Evan Carmichael or Tony Robbins or some other big influence like Jordan Peterson. And then once they watched their videos, my video was the next video that showed up. And that wouldn't be able to happen at all if YouTube didn't know who my avatar was. And so when you start out, especially when you are starting out, you want to niche down, show your authority that you can help this particular niche. And then the algorithm will eventually you will gain the favor of the algorithm, and YouTube will know who to recommend your videos to. Hack number 2, being consistent. Consistency means that you are publishing every single week on your YouTube channel, releasing a video new every single week. You see, especially when you are first starting out, your first 100 subscribers, it is really important that your viewers and your subscribers know that you're there for the long run. They know that you got their back, that you're going to be there for them in the future. Especially when you release the first few videos and they liked your videos, they're going to want to know that you're going to have more coming down the pipeline. Because let's imagine if you were a viewer and I released one video this week and then several weeks you never heard from me, and then I decide to release a video and then I released 2 videos that week, and then another few weeks went by, you never heard from me, and then I only released 1 video. That inconsistency will make it very difficult for you to grow your channel. You see, because when you grow your channel, when you start your channel, it's important that you make a promise to your viewers. For example, you can say new video weekly, or new video every Tuesdays and Thursdays, or 3 videos weekly. Right? Whatever that promise is that you can uphold, that is what you deliver. That's what you fulfill on your channel. And it's really important to build trust and rapport with your viewers, that they know that you're going to make good on your word, that when you say you're going to be there for them, that you are there for them. So in the beginning, I would encourage you to do at least 2 videos a week or 3 videos a week, because then it gives you enough juice in order to build that viewers, right? The video views is king on YouTube. And when you're first starting out, or if you have 100 subscribers and your channel is small, the more videos you have, the faster you get to your first 100 videos, the faster the algorithm will have to know who you are, who you serve, and gain the favor as well, and give you some love in the algorithm. So I always encourage, if you can, 2 videos at least, or 3 if you're ambitious, on your YouTube channel. If you can't, then be consistent with 1 video per week. When I first started on my YouTube channel, up until now, I release 1 new video a week, right? And if I had to tell myself as a new YouTube creator, I would have wanted to create at least 2 videos a week, because I see the value, after having done this for some time, the value of getting to your first 100 videos as soon as possible, right? When I went from 0 to 5,000 subscribers, it took me a few months. But as soon as I reach that threshold, right, you gain this critical mass, then your YouTube channel can grow, of course, with the right strategy. Right? So I recommend that if you're first starting out, challenge yourself, right? And this is going to be a personal development journey as well, because this is where you become a voracious learner so that you can have that type of content to release. And then 2 videos a week, get to that first 100 videos, not 100 videos on your YouTube channel as soon as you can, and you'll start to see that critical mass. So that's why the second hack is to be consistent. Hack number 3, content that is searchable. Right? Let's face it, YouTube is a search engine. It is a discovery machine. And that is the bonus of being on YouTube channel, because you're not competing with a lot of different posts, right? In posting in newsfeed based platforms like Instagram and Facebook, as soon as you post something, within less than 24 hours, your post is lost in the feed and people they can't find it. They can't type into the search bar and your post search comes up. It's not the way those platforms operate. But on YouTube, you can be discovered if you have the right strategy. On Google, you can be discovered your video can be discovered. On YouTube, the search platform is there as well, and you can be discovered by those words. And so it is really important for you to be discoverable through search. In other words, there's already a lot of traffic that comes through YouTube and through Google. People are trying to solve their problems every day, every minute. People are typing in keywords, they're searching for how to do something, they're searching for certain topics, they're searching for education, they're searching for information. And so traffic is already there. It's not about getting new traffic, it's about how do you take some of that traffic and funnel it to your video and funnel it to your channel. And so the best way to do that is to figure out, well, it goes to the first hack, who you're serving, who is that avatar in the niche, what are their problems, and therefore what are they searching? And then you get in front of their search by figuring out exactly what are they typing into that search bar. And when you incorporate that search into your YouTube videos, into your content, and of course, back it up with the content that is relevant to that search, then you will get eyeballs, you will get in front of the conversation, right? So that is the third hack, is to have content, create content that is searchable. Because it is, as YouTube content creators, the onus is on us to be discoverable through Google, through YouTube, and essentially through search. Hack number 5, early adoption of collaboration. One of the things that I wish I did when I first started my channel, before I even hit 100 subscribers, one of the things I wish I did was to have collaborations. You see, when you collaborate on YouTube, what's going to happen is that I'm going to be building an audience, you're going to be building an audience, and let's say if we collaborated with each other, then we benefit from each other's following, we benefit from each other's content, we benefit from each other's insight. And so what that could look like is simply collaborating on a video, right? And it would especially be great if you could collaborate with somebody who has a larger following than you, especially if you have something super valuable to add to their audience. It only makes sense, of course, if you are trying to collaborate with someone who has a larger following than you, that you got to have something to bring to the table, something proprietary, something insightful that will serve their audience. So when you leverage these collaborations, all of a sudden your content, your personal brand is exposed to everyone on their list as well, their entire viewership. Right? And so that's one thing that I wish that I had taken advantage of, is earlier on in my YouTube content creation career, is to adopt collaborations early on. And this is a concept known as the Dream 100. It was a term that was coined by Chat Holmes in his book. And Dream 100 means, who are those 100 people out there? The thought leaders, the business owners, the influencers, the content creators, who are those 100 people? Right? A list of 100 that if they were to mention your name to their list, that it would be a game changer for you, that it would really make a difference in your sales and your views, right? Those are the people in your Dream 100 because they've worked so hard to build their list, and you're in necessarily non-competing industries, but they serve the same audience or similar audience, and there's an audience overlap. Those people will be your Dream 100. And if you could collaborate with them on a YouTube video, then that would really help accelerate your views. It would accelerate your visibility and searchability as well. So that's what I wanted to share with you in terms of this hack to grow your channel from 100 subscribers and beyond is to adopt collaborations as early as possible. By the way, if you enjoy these hacks and you want to learn more, right, I have a free gift for you. Below this video, there is a link for my YouTube masterclass. And it's really to share with you some 5 keys that you want to avoid if you want more views and sales on your YouTube channel. So click that link below and I'll see you on the inside. And finally, we have hack number 6. The 6th hack to grow your YouTube channel from 100 subscribers is this: followers from other platforms. Right? Chances are, if you are building a YouTube channel to promote your business, and you're starting from scratch on your YouTube channel, you have a presence on other social media platforms. Maybe you also have an email list. Maybe you also have a Instagram following, you have a Twitter following or a Facebook following, right? And one of the things that I have done that has really helped me to accelerate my channel growth is to cross-promote my YouTube videos on these other platforms. Now, it's not about trying to take my Instagram followers and try to take them and make them to become my YouTube subscribers. It's more like, I got this video that I released on YouTube, and what I do is I crop it into a snippet, 1 minute long or 30 seconds long, and then I promote that or I share that on my Instagram channel or on my Facebook page. And then they know with a link to the YouTube video, and they know that I am a content creator on YouTube. And so what happens is that they're already following me on Facebook or on Instagram. They already are fans on Facebook and Instagram. So when they see that I have these channels and I'm consistently sharing these videograms, that's what they call them, 30 seconds, 60 seconds long, when I'm consistently sharing these videograms, and every videogram that I share adds value. It is interesting, it is motivational, it's inspiring, it has deep insights into solving their problems. Now they become curious and they're going to want to come and check out my YouTube video. Another thing that works really well in promoting your YouTube channels or videos across platforms is to create quote cards that relate to your videos, right? You can send emails to notify your email list every time you release a new video. You can create carousel posts on Instagram that show the main talking points of your YouTube video and show them on Instagram posts that this is a YouTube video that you just released and go check it out. So cross-promotional platforms on every time you release a new video to encourage them to find out more and give them a taste of what the YouTube video is about. So they're going to be interested in getting the dibs, getting more details on your YouTube video. So these are the 6 hacks that I have for you. If I were to start from scratch, if I had only 100 subscribers, these are the exact 6 things that I would do to grow my YouTube channel. So I want to hear from you now. Comment below. Which of these 6 tips did you like best and that you are going to implement as you grow your YouTube channel? If you like my channel, give me a thumbs up as well. Remember to hit the bell below and subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified every time I release a new video. And we'll see you again in my next video.